Hello guys, maayong gabi sa tanan. Tayo ay magluluto na po og panihapon for our family dinner today's video. And then I will cook inununan and pinarito. Pinaritong isda at inununan na isda. O, diba busy ang baji? Naka-dress pa siya. Murag maninay si Biday. Manay Biday. O, diba? Sige. Post pa more. Tuyok pa more. Post pa more. O, ganyan lang ang life because life is too short. And then, we enjoy our life. Thank you so much for watching my reels and my vlog. God bless you to all. Mabuhay po tayong lahat at keep safe po tayong lahat. O, diba? Sige manay. Katawa po more. O, post na pod. O, diba? And then, they're waiting of the fish that we're cooking. Not cooking yet. Thank you for watching guys. Babu. Sayonara. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Love, 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 love. This is my family. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Arigato gozaimasu.